The magnetic appeal of Chris Brown transcends boundaries, captivating masses everywhere. An exemplar of this phenomenon was the recent gathering of Tivoli Gardens residents who thronged to catch a glimpse of the R&B sensation. Brown's presence on the rock was occasioned by the Solid Agency Company and Upscale's event, Chris Brown and Friends Live, as part of the BZR Weekend Jamaica. His visit held a special purpose beyond the stage, involving collaboration with fellow artists Sean Kingston and Talibans vocalist, Byron Messia. However, it was the poignant moment at Bumps Park in West Kingston that truly warmed the hearts of the community. In an inspiring gesture, Chris Brown paused at Bumps Park to add his signature to the now-famous mural. This heartening act was orchestrated with the assistance of Social Enterprise Director O'Neal Coke, alongside Jamaican-American singer Sean Kingston. The significance of this event was not lost on the community members, as expressed by Coke, who shared, "Welcoming influential figures to our home always fills us with a sense of pride." Brown's presence served as a wellspring of inspiration for both the younger generation and the elders, who have admired him on television screens for years. The artist behind the mural segment that Brown signed, Adira Charday, was equally overjoyed. Charday's sentiments reflected the community's collective emotion, as she conveyed, "Chris Brown's visit allowed him to witness our creative sanctuary and shed light on our endeavors. Our primary goal is to express ourselves through art, and his recognition amplifies our message. We are immensely grateful for the exposure and support he has provided." The visit's culmination witnessed the "Under the Influence" crooner humbly autographing various items for the community members. This personal interaction reinforced the genuine connection he established with the locals, leaving an indelible mark on their hearts. Bumps Park's artistic renaissance commenced last year as the inaugural phase of a transformative community-wide initiative. Executed through a dynamic collaboration involving 15 artists, Burger Paints, and the creative insights of artist Marlon Lifechild Spencer, this project has evolved into a source of immense pride and joy for the community. Chris Brown's involvement has further illuminated this artistic endeavor, spotlighting the essence of creative expression and its capacity to bridge gaps and touch lives. Chris Brown's recent visit to Bumps Park transcended the realm of entertainment, leaving an everlasting impact on the community. His involvement in the vibrant mural project, along with the genuine interactions he shared with residents, showcased the power of art and human connection. As the community continues to bask in the glow of his visit, it serves as a reminder that influential figures can become catalysts for positive change, unity, and inspiration.